Biostimulant cannot replace good nutrition, but it can complement it. PROCOTE Optimize is our fertilizer treatment that protects the phosphorus you're applying to the soil, liberates the phosphorus that's in the soil already, as well as helps develop a more fibrous root structure under your plant, which will last throughout the growing season. In cold springs, you can see up to 90% of your phosphorus unavailable. PROCOTE Optimize improves that availability and allows that crop to be able to take up that phosphorus and improve its establishment and early development. We are seeing more plants per square foot, increased staging, so it is improving the maturity of the crop right off the start. PROCOTE Optimize also increases your root development, so we get more secondary roots and root hairs that are helping that crop access the nutrients and water that is in the soil. With this additional root structure, we are seeing an increase of up to 8 additional nutrients being taken up by the plant. We've conducted trials across North America, and we have seen a 4.5% increase in yields in 6 different crops, with an 80% success rate. If you are interested to learn more, contact your local Yara representative or your local retail.